Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy S26 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device without installing any kind of third-party apps. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Device Care, which is right here. Here, as you can see, we've got the app protection, so just tap on it. And first of all, we have to turn it on, so just tap on Turn On. And here we've got the information that app protection will scan for issues each time you install a new app. This may make app installation slower, but it allows you to block the installation of apps with security risks. So as you can see, there are more advantages than disadvantages of this app protection. So just tap on Turn On and then tap on Scan Phone. And now your device will also scan all of the existing apps which are right now installed in order to find any kind of viruses, any kind of malware. So just let your device do it. Do not rush it. Do not stop it in the middle, for example. Just let it scan everything and we will check the results. I will simply speed up the process. And as you can see, we've got the results. No threats were detected, no threats has been found, which means that everything is all right. Of course, we've got also the information about our last scanning, and I really highly recommend to simply scan your device from time to time in order to check for the threats. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.